Let's take a quick tour of ADR management in Pistacy. We start by creating a new document. Just give it a title and a short description. An ADR should stay simple. It's usually split into 3 sections: problem context, considered options, and the decision outcome. The document is now created in a draft state. Once we're happy with the decision, we accept it. And here's the rule: a DRS are immutable. That means once accepted, they can't be changed. From here, the decision can be implemented in the system. But what if the team decides to change something later? For example, we want to switch from Postgres, full text search to Elasticsearch. We can't edit the old ADR, so instead, we create a new one. We accept the new ADR and then go back to the old document. Here we use Replace ADR to link them together. The old ADR gets replaced by the new one and both stay connected with the proper replacement information. Of course, you can also archive, deprecate, or retire documents if they're no longer relevant. That's it. ADRs are a great way to capture and track the important architecture decisions in your system. Visit pistacy.io to see what else it can help you with.